Drone with camera for adults. The unknown 80 FPV drones fits beginners with upgrade altitude vault, voice control, gesture selfie, 90 adjustable lens, 3D flips with batteries, brand loyalty, special feature extended flight time, 360-degree flip, auto landing, first person view FPV, one button return, age range description 14, color dark gray, video capture resolution 1080p, connectivity technology Wi-Fi, included components propellant, remote underscore control, battery, camera, blade, skills level all, item weight 1.2 pounds, video capture format FP4, user-friendly and versatile loyalty drones are perfect for beginners and children, offering features that one key take-off, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. It also provides smart app control app loyalty provide, allowing users to find flight routes, use voice control and gesture selfies, and enjoy various functions like 360 degrees, gravity sensing, and adding music and filters, real-time image, transmission, and HD photography. This small drone is equipped with an HDR8OP camera to capture stunning photos and videos with high quality and frame rates. The camera angle can be adjusted remotely up to 90 degrees. Combined with the upgraded hover system and optical flow positioning technology, the camera drone is more stable when shooting. Wi-Fi real-time transmission enables quickly sharing happy moments with family and friends. Take it anywhere loyally drone with camera is your ultimate travel buddy. It's so compact and lightweight that you can literally hold it up and fit it in your pocket or backpack. Weight under the 150 grams to safety from FAA registration. Whether you're going on an outdoor adventure or exploring new places, you can easily take this mini drone with you and capture amazing aerial shot wherever you go. Safe and long battery life with rechargeable drone batteries. This big drone extends the flight time to approximately 25 to 30 minutes, providing a worry-free flying experience. The batteries are easy to charge and replace, with built-in over-voltage protection. The remote controller emits a low battery warning, ensuring beginners never lose their RC drone. Professional after-sales support. Mini drone with a camera makes for a cool and creative gift. Along with that, the package includes a portable bag for outdoor travel. The drone comes with propeller guards, spare fan blades, and remote control batteries, ensuring safety and reliability. Additionally, 24-hour technical support, quality warranty, and money-back services are provided for customer satisfaction. Seamless connectivity and control, drone remote controller and app pairing guide. We include operating instructions and guides for each remote control in every package. Additionally, we have uploaded an instructional video on connecting a drone to the app. We hope this will assist you in gaining a better experience.